This video is brought to you by catbeast.com. Design your own custom snapbacks and hats.
Ninja no Suzuki no Katana. Ninja man a ninja, me a no police, me a no soldier, me a the general, me a no pushover. Well man a
Man, you still talk to me girl from the phone. No, girl. What is? What is the money coming in? They don't know the better than coming in. Yo, I want some money there now. Yo, I don't know broke, you know, I do well with some money and a joke thing this to bread, I will know. How can a mad clown business this man? Let me clown. Something wrong, you know. We'll call CJ, no. CJ,
yeah, boss.
where the is Rhionna, CJ?
What's going on?
Something's wrong.
What?
Don't tell me bullshit, CJ.
But
CJ, I'm so sick of your bullshit, CJ. You and your shit.
She's safe, boss. I did what you asked.
Yo, shut up when I'm talking to you, CJ. Something is wrong. We need to find her.
I did as you asked, boss. She's safe. She's with a nice family. They have
Really,
2
CJ?
cars,
Really?
Mercedes out front, Range Rover.
Then why am I sitting here constipating? Why am I sweating like I'm in the f***ing desert and it's like 2,000 degrees, CJ? You better f***ing find her, CJ. You find her ASAP.
Alright, boss. I'll find her, boss. Where's the bag I gave you this morning? Where's the package? Was it a black bag? Where's the bag?
I'm gonna give it to somebody, man. You was not that boy.
Lying.
I give it to somebody, brother.
What do you mean you give it to somebody? What about that? Where about that?
I see that. I ain't make it to that boy. You want to come out of the boat?
Are you there?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Where's the bag? Where's the bag? You got a bag this morning. Where's the bag? What did you do with the bag? Black bag.
No, no, black bag.
Hey boy, no like what about that?
No,
Get the bag this man.
I'm gonna get the bag, brother.
Shut your mouth. Yes, boss, I found it.
Where is it?
He's right here, underneath my foot, as a matter of fact. He's trying to play like he didn't get the bag this morning. Hey boy, shut your mouth now. You gonna speak to him?
Let me speak to him.
Alright, hold on.
Just a young youth in a please. Come on, tell me how to go and do that. Hello?
What did you do with the package, boy?
No, not me.
What do you mean it's not you?
Hey boy, stop that. Don't lie to me.
Huh?
I just want you to see, give me back of the things out. I want to go give.
So where is the package?
Right there, and then become be hungry.
You did what? Son, I really don't think you understand the impact of your actions. She was my lover. It all started like this.
I love Rhionna unconditionally. It was to the point where not even my own wife could satisfy me anymore. I wanted nothing but Rhionna. I had to protect her from all the evil people in the world.
God, you're so pretty.
Everywhere I went, someone wanted to take her away from me. I had to keep her safe. My wife, at first, she didn't understand, but eventually, she got the message.
You fry the egg
CJ back the phone.
Boss won't talk to you.
Shut up. Yeah, boss. What should I do with him?
He that keepeth his mouth, keepeth his life. No loose end, CJ. Bug him.
Alright. I'll take care of him.
We are do.
Yeah, boss.
Deal with the thing yet.
It's been handled.
See how it